Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be working on this Tacoma. This is 2015, but they're similar like from 2006 I believe, or 5 or something, and all the way to 2015. So what I need to replace is the 120. I'm replacing the 120 fuse. Mine burned. See, the stock one, they go like this, so you have to completely take the screws out. The one I bought, it's like this. It's a little bit easier, but same thing, pain in the butt. So what I did is I removed the cover. There's just a tab right here and 2 tabs right here, and the cover comes off. And then I got to this part. I don't think you have to loosen this, but I loosened 10mm bolt, one here, and one there. I also disconnected the battery. Disconnect the battery, all you have is also 10mm right here and right here. If it's in your way, it might be in your way. And then also this piece right here, also a 10mm on this side, which is right here. I removed that, and I removed the battery. So once I removed the battery and this kind of got loose. This is probably a hard way to completely take this off. I don't know, comment below if you did and you know. But what I did is I just grabbed, also loosened this bolt right here. That's 12mm, and that thing came off. And then I unplugged these 3 plugs, 1, 2, 3. All I do is just like push it and pull it out right here. Push, pull it out, and same thing. Push, pull it out. Once I pulled it out, I also had this piece right here. It's sitting like, I believe, like this. And then there's tabs right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just kind of press them with the flathead screwdriver. Right there. You kind of press from the top this way, you know. And then slowly while you're pressing, grab the other screwdriver and then slowly pry it up so you don't break it, and that thing comes off. Once this comes off, you have a 10mm screw right in here. If you need to remove this one, this is for 120A alternator, I believe ALT. So remove that screw on this side, and then you also have one on this side. On this side, it's kind of hard to get it to it. So I grabbed the big flathead screwdriver. Make sure this is kind of loose right here. Don't break. I kind of broke mine a little bit. Tab, it's no big deal. So I just go in there and just don't shove it too much. Just slowly kind of pry it so you don't break anything. Just lightly. Don't break anything. I mean, it worked for me. I don't know if it worked. Once I pried that, I have room right here. And then I put 10mm and took that top screw out right there while holding. It's best to have 2 people. That way someone's holding so you don't break anything. And then make sure you don't drop the screw or have a magnet ready to pull it out. Once you pull it out, this thing came off. And the same thing I'll be doing when I put it in. I'll put the new one in. Take this, pry it lightly. See, it comes off just enough so I can put my socket in there. And on this side, it comes off easy since I removed this piece. I'm sure there's an easier way so you don't break anything. I mean, this is no big deal. But like, there might be a different way to do it. If you know, comment below. But it's kind of hard. Most people were messing around with this, but this is probably the fastest way. And this little plastic doesn't mean anything. So yeah, comment below what you think, and please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.